Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Monday, it's St. Patty's Day. I got my little troll guy hanging out with me. So I did go to the store. So I went to the lumberyard. I got my boards to go around my raised beds. I am actually going to have to go back and get 3 more, I think. I wasn't going to do the back of these over here, but now that I'm cleaning up a little bit, I really need to do it. So do it now, get it over with, and move forward. Gotta go. So on the back ones back here, you see the backboard down there. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's getting eat out pretty good. That one is eat out. So they all are. So they need to be changed. This one is like almost totally disintegrated. So I got to do that. But in order to get to that one down at the bottom, I have to take this grow frame off of here. That's not a big deal. I've got these boards holding it in with, I think, 4 or 5 screws. That holds this up, the wire part up, and then the frame that I have, which sits on top of the bottom board, it did have screws going down into the old board, or had nails, one of the two, or both. That will come out pretty easy, obviously, because the board is rotten. And then it's just got a couple on the top side to screwing it to those 2x4s. So I'll get that down, get it out of the way. I'll rake up the wood chips and get them out of the way. And then we'll just start. I'm going to start on the back side, get it replaced. Both ends are rotted out. I changed this front one last year, so this one can stay. that's what the wood looks like. Just raw, untreated lumber. So, lasted 6 years, 6 or 7. So that worked for me. So, I did change this front out this last spring with the board I had. I did put the higher ends on this because this drops down. It's not exactly level, so I needed a little more space at this end. So, anyway, it looks good. Hey guys, I forgot to shoot the closing for this one yesterday, so I'm gonna do that right quick. I want to show you I got some more done, and I still have some to do, but let me show you the headway that I've made so far. So if we turn around here, there's the one that we did yesterday and that you saw in this video. I did get this one completed. I was just gonna do the top rails on these, but I ended up having to go both. The bottom one on these was pretty much gone. Which as long as there's enough to, you know, it's set in, the top board's sitting where it needs to be, that's fine. But when I pulled the top one out, the bottom one disintegrated along with it. So we're replacing those top and bottom on these. I'm not sure on the back there. We will take those apart and see how that works. But probably on the back, at least I'm gonna have to do top and bottom. And then on the front, I may get away with just the single, but we'll see. So that's where we're at on these. We got more work to do. We'll get that done. We are going to go here in just a little while and pick up our plants at the fairgrounds. I appreciate you guys watching. I really do. So hit the like button, subscribe. That'd be right here. Comment, share, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya.